All right, guys, you seen the title and the thumbnail, so you know what's on the menu today, a casserole. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this delicious, simple French onion chicken casserole. Y'all ready? Get in the kitchen, let's go. All right, a quick shout out before we start cooking. I've been using this Cooker King 10-piece stainless steel cookware set, and I actually like how versatile it is. The set comes with everything you need: 2 frying pans, a saute pan, saucepans, and a larger casserole pot, all with tempered glass lids so you can see what's going on while you're cooking. What makes this interesting is the tri-ply stainless steel construction with a ceramic non-stick surface, so you get even heat distribution without hot spots and food releases easily. They also use an etched design that helps the non-stick last longer, and you can even use metal utensils without worrying about scratching them up. These pots and pans work on pretty much any cooktop, induction, gas, electric, ceramic, and they're oven safe up to 500 degrees. And when you're done cooking, they're dishwasher safe, so cleanup is easy. If you're looking for a solid stainless steel set that covers everything from frying to simmering sauces, this is definitely one to check out. All right, so let's get back to this recipe. All right, let's run down our ingredients. Back here we have our chicken. Now I'm using rotisserie chicken. I just think it makes it very simple and quick. You can also cook you boneless chicken breast and use that as well, or you want some boneless thighs, totally up to you. Orzo pasta, chicken broth, onions, Parmesan cheese, heavy whipping cream, mozzarella, black pepper, olive oil, sugar, seasoned salt, thyme, and some freshly chopped garlic. So that's all you need. Let's get to it. So to get started, we're gonna use one of our Cooker King 10-piece stainless steel pans. This cookware set is built for real cooking like we do over here. So I'll leave a link in the video description. Let's get our oven on so we can get this pan up to temperature. All right, we're gonna heat up some olive oil. Guys, I called another audible. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna add our sugar, our seasoned salt. I add a little bit of our seasoned salt there at the bottom. We're gonna start adding our onions. As we go, I'm gonna start hitting it with a little more of that seasoned salt. Guys, I know this look like a lot of onions, but man, when it caramelized down, it look like nothing. I'm gonna add the rest of our seasoned salt, and the sugar just helps it get caramelized, so don't leave the sugar out. And we're gonna let this cook for the next 20 to 25 minutes, allowing those onions to wilt down, and as I mentioned earlier, to caramelize. And make sure you do this over a medium heat. So during the last 2 minutes of that 20 to 25 minutes, you're gonna add your garlic. And we're gonna cook this for the next 1 to 2 minutes. All right, before we keep going, I wanna share something with you guys that you've been asking me for, and it's Still Not a Chef, my highly anticipated cookbook that's finally up for pre-order. Yep, no complicated steps, no chef rules, just food that makes sense in real life. So if this sounds like your vibe, grab your copy at the link in the video description. All right, so after that 2 minutes, we're gonna go in with our orzo pasta. And we're gonna get this toasted in here for the next 2 minutes. All right, so after that 2 to 3 minutes, we're gonna go in with our chicken. We're gonna fold that in, along with our thyme and our black pepper. We're gonna get that mixed in here. We're gonna dash that with a little W sauce. I'm gonna add that in there. I didn't have that on the menu, but I'm gonna fold that in. We're gonna go in with our chicken broth, along with our heavy whipping cream. We're gonna get this mixed in here, turn our heat down. Once we get that baby mixed in like this, we're gonna take a top, we're gonna cover this up, and we're gonna let this cook for 8 to 10 minutes, and we're gonna come back. All right, so after that 8 to 10 minutes, we're gonna remove our lid. We'll give this a quick stir. We're gonna go in with our Parmesan cheese now. I said Parmesan, that's mozzarella. I'm sorry, that's mozzarella. And this is the Parmesan. I was looking at the Parmesan and putting mozzarella in there. And we're gonna stir this in until it's creamy. We're gonna turn our heat off while we do it. Go ahead, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. We're gonna take the remaining of our mozzarella. We're gonna add it to the top here. You know, guys, I'm gonna throw another little audible in here. I'm gonna add a little breadcrumbs here to the top, you know, kind of give it that crunch. This is optional, but I was just thinking, I do that sometimes, not much, but sometimes I do. So we're gonna put this in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes, allow that cheese to melt until it's bubbly and golden brown. And that's why I like that Cooker King. You can go straight from your stovetop right into the oven with it, all right? Link in the video description, all right? Let's get it in the oven. All right, so after about 15 minutes in the oven, we're gonna let this rest for the next 5 minutes before we dig into it, all right? So after about that 5 minutes, we're gonna hit it with some of that green stuff. You know how we do it. A little of that incredible Hulk, fresh parsley. And there you have it, French onion chicken orzo casserole. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Drop it down, guys. This looks beautiful. Let's jump into quality control. All right, so it's quality control time. Y'all, look at that French onion chicken casserole, man. Ooh, let's go ahead and take a bite out of crime, man. Ooh. Let's come back up here. Let me show y'all what we working with. Oh, baby, that baby chicken knee, man, chicken knee. So French oniony too. Oh, man, this is what I'm talking about. This right here is simple, very easy to make, quick, definitely a recipe for you to try. Man, this baby good for real. Man. Add to the list. That 4 for 5 bite added to your recipe to-do list. And until then, guys, y'all already know who I am. Always everything. And remember, him not a chef, him just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.